Good afternoon, everybody. Hey, I'm gonna give you a quick video on an issue I had with my truck. It's a 2017 Dodge Ram 3500, and this morning I came out, we're finished camping, I went to start it up, and the truck went click, and I had all my lights, everything was working great, so I'm trying to figure it out. I'm turning it off, turning it on, turning it off, turning it on. I'm still not getting anywhere. I have full power inside for some reason, it's not working. So I go on YouTube and painstakingly want to take a knife and stick it in my eye because I had to watch these videos that made zero sense as to what the problem was. And I'm going to tell you guys a quick fix for the problem. If you get in your vehicle and you turn the key and you have power and all the lights are inside your truck, it's probably your battery is low. So what I'm going to tell you to do is this. I was told by a mechanic to check your batteries. So initially I pulled one out, I put it on a charger, I let it sit there for a little while. I checked the status of it, it was 10.5 amps. I checked the one that was still inside the truck, that said 13.1. So I'm thinking to myself, okay, this one battery's still good, why is the truck not starting? So you go ahead and get yourself a little meter, turn your meter on, turn it on to volts 200 because you want to see the voltage coming out of your batteries. Again, you're checking them. So what happened was I put it on, the right side battery is the one I took out, the left side battery is the one that I left in. And I had the positive on the positive, negative on the negative. As I went to start the truck, the battery went from 13.1 to 8.9. So it dropped voltage, so the battery was low. So what did I do? I went to the store, I picked up 2 new batteries. They're 150 bucks a piece. Installed the 2 new batteries, got inside my truck, started my truck right up, no issues. So instead of watching a painstaking video for 40 minutes of some guy telling you how he picked his teeth and how his truck tires look cool and all this stuff, this is what's going on. So anyway, Mad Nix in Motion, just giving you a heads up. Take care till next time.